Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. Nan says, I'm needing advice on the use of coins in magic. I ordered an Indian head penny last week during the marketplace for home protection. Oh, how do I use it by my door? And what are some of the other uses of coins? Oh my gosh, there's so many coin magic things. Well, of course, any coins can be used on your altar to bring in abundance. So if you have a bowl full of coins, if you, have money, I have magic money, what I call magic money. Magic money are things like my magic money are things like money my parents have passed, so money that was in my mom's purse is my magic money because my mom had it, and I love my mom. I was really close to my mom, so that's magic money to me. Money from other countries, I always put in my magic money bowl because I want to travel and go to other countries, so that can be magic money as well. As far as Indian head pennies go, Indian head pennies in hoodoo are used for protection as scouts, right? So they're called scouts. So this is kind of archaic thinking, but this is going back almost 100 years, more than 100 years, to the time when these coins were made in the late 1800s, early 1900s. So these pennies were used for keep protecting the home. And one of the ways that they were used is to put them above your door or your window to protect and guard your home from anybody that is unwanted coming into your home, to warn you or to get them to go away. So I think there's a very lovely hoodoo practice that goes back that's just so magical and beautiful. Someone developed it, someone came up with the idea of taking the penny and you hammer two nails into the halfway into the wall like that, and then you put the penny on top, and then you bend the nails over the penny so that they make an X over the penny. So they'll hold the penny there, but they also make an X, and an X energy in many cultures is for protection. So that is a super wonderful old time hoodoo method. Then you can bless it with protection, like powerful protection oil or some kind of protection oil to keep away any negativity or to keep people away. So we can use, of course, any kind of money and prosperity magic. And one of the things that I developed was the idea of using quarters. American US quarters have different images on the back. They have those special like parks and states and things like that on the back. You can also use them for divination. So you can reach into your wallet and see what you have, what coins you have in your wallet, and read the backs of those quarters like a divination tool. Look at them symbolically. It's a beautiful way to work. I have, in fact, they have quarters that have been painted with color, or like silk screen with color, and those can be, I have a whole collection of those that I use as like a divination tool, and you just reach in and pull out the quarter, and they've got these beautiful colorful pictures on them that it's easier to see what they are. So that's another way they can be used. We use mercury dimes in luck magic. Mercury dimes are the dimes with the Liberty head on that, and Mercury, of course, is the god of luck, and so these are considered to be lucky talismans if you find one with your birth year on it, but you'd have to be born in the 1940s. So don't know if that's not me. So you can also use a regular coin with your birth year on it as your magic talisman connected to you because it's got your year on it. So that's another way we can use coins in our magic. It's really lovely.